Hello world, Leon here. This is TokenQL, a cross-chain token indexer. So what is it? It's a data layer to query all tokens. So why? The blockchain is designed to secure data, so it's immutable. It's great at putting data in, but not changing it, right? It's great for that. Great for financial stuff, but it's not designed to query data. So a simple question is like, how do I get all of my tokens? Sounds like a simple question, but it's quite a complicated answer. And that's because you have all of these different contracts. So for example, which one of these is a token contract? Based off of this address, you really can't tell. You have to go through each contract through their bytecode and pick out certain pieces to verify if it's in ERC20, 721, or 1155. It's quite technical. And let's just assume you go through all that and you figure out that this one here is an NFT contract. Well, how do you get all of the NFTs listed here? So the standard way is if you have a token ID, you can figure out the owner. So token ID 1 is Alice, token ID 2, Bob, so on and so forth. That's great. But let's just say I'm Alice. How do I get all of my token IDs? Well, the NFT contract is designed to go from token ID to owner, not owner to token ID. So the naive way to get all of Alice's token IDs is to go through, is token ID 1 Alice? Yes. Is token ID 2 Alice? No. Is token ID 3 Alice? Yes, so on and so forth, which is fine for a small list. Let's just say 4 tokens, token IDs, but let's just say there's 10,000. It will take quite a long time. So here's a quick demo. Before I get into that, I have more information on how to deal with this problem. I wrote an article about that. So here's a quick demo, assuming all of this data is collected. So go to tokenql.com, click Explore, and you should see this screen here. So this is a GraphQL schema. It's quite easy. All you have to do is just click a bunch of checkboxes on the left-hand side here, hit play, and it will print the stuff out. So for example, in this query, I want to get, I'll uncheck everything. I want to get EVMOS, ERC20 tokens, where the contract is this contract. And I want to get the balance, contract, decimals, and a bunch of this information. I hit play, and I get all of this data. So you can use this data to build your applications. So what can you build with it? Well, you can build anything, really. It's an infrastructure layer, so a data layer, meaning it can be used across all applications. So for DeFi, you can list all of your tokens, including your shitcoins, to do some sort of swap. For NFTs, you can build a marketplace, either built into a bigger one, like an aggregator, or just individual indie marketplaces to buy and sell your NFTs. You can do this for GameFi to display all of your tokens. Think of this as like an inventory system to play your Web3 game. And of course, the metaverse. So the idea of this project is to be a cross-chain indexer to build things such as cross-chain wallets with all of your assets across all chains. So this is TokenQL in a nutshell. Thank you so much.